Pregnancy often comes with the well-known signs: missed periods, morning sickness, and cravings. But what if your body was giving you clues long before those became obvious? Today, we're uncovering the hidden pregnancy symptoms that many women overlook. These subtle changes can show up in the earliest weeks, quietly signaling a new chapter in your life before you even think of taking a test. One early sign is unusual fatigue. Even if you're sleeping well, your body may suddenly feel drained because it's working overtime to support new life. Another surprising symptom is heightened sensitivity to smells. Ordinary scents, like coffee, perfume, or even soap, may suddenly feel overwhelming. Some women also notice mood swings that seem stronger than typical PMS as hormonal changes start rapidly increasing. You might also experience light spotting, often mistaken for a light period, when it could actually be implantation bleeding. And here's one many miss: frequent trips to the bathroom much earlier than expected, caused by increased blood flow and hormonal shifts. These signs don't always guarantee pregnancy, but together they paint a picture your body may be quietly trying to reveal. So if you notice these hidden symptoms, don't brush them off. Listen to your body, stay informed, and if in doubt, take a test or consult your doctor. It could be the start of something life-changing.